Practice she and her, part 2. Today we're practicing sentences with her. Her is also a female. And you're talking about her, a third person. Her is a very common pronoun in English and is used to refer to female in different ways. Her could be a female person or an animal. We use it when we talk about something that a female did, or just a female, or something that belongs to her, her possession, or her thing. Okay, practice sentences with her. Let's go. It's her pen. It's her pen. Her book is on the table. Her book is on the table. Give her a new pen. Give her a new pen. Please give her these papers. Please give her these papers. Did you tell her what time we meet tonight? Did you tell her what time we meet tonight? What's her phone number? What's her phone number? Tell her I'll be there soon. Tell her I'll be there soon. Is her husband very old? Is her husband very old? Her favorite color is green. Her favorite color is green. I saw her at the movie theater yesterday. I saw her at the movie theater yesterday. Her parents are coming to visit soon. Her parents are coming to visit soon. I asked her to join us for dinner tonight. I asked her to join us for dinner tonight. Her dog is very cute and playful. Her dog is very cute and playful. What's her name? What's her name? Her hair is long and curly. Her hair is long and curly. I found her keys on the ground. I found her keys on the ground. Can you give me her address? Can you give me her address? I like her new car. I like her new car. Her car is parked outside. Her car is parked outside. Her daughter is beautiful. Her daughter is beautiful. Her dog likes to play with the ball. Her dog likes to play with the ball. I saw her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. I bought her a birthday present today. I bought her a birthday present today. Her husband is very tall. Her husband is very tall. That's all for today. Don't forget to check my other videos. This is part 2. Don't forget to look for part 1 and 3. The links are in the comments. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.